Hi, my name is Elizabeth Corda. This is my 26th year of teaching elementary school. I've taught 20 years in the first grade in Carson State School District. I'm at Fremont Elementary School. I'm a graduate of the University of Nevada, Reno, where I got a dual degree in regular education and special ed.
All right, so I'm just going to ask you a couple questions about the Common Core here in Nevada. The first is, when were you first introduced to Common Core?
I was probably introduced to Common Core about 3 years ago with the math. We were just introduced to it, but not fully implementing it.
And how do you implement it now in your classroom?
We started implementing it 2 years ago with just the math. We had lots of trainings on how to do it because it's much different than what we are used to doing. And then last year we started with the ELA Common Core.
What's ELA Common Core?
English Language Arts. And then next year we're going to be getting the science.
Okay. And do you see improvements since you started implementing Common Core?
If I talk about the math, because that's what I've been doing the longest, there are improvements on the way kids think because they have to explain their thinking in a deeper. We teach fewer standards, but the standards are deeper. They take in some of the standards we used to teach out of our grade and put them into different grade levels. So as far as students being able to explain their thinking and why they're doing it, I have seen improvement.
Which skill or subject is implemented the most at this school?
Well, like I told you before, we started with math, so math has been the longest, and then English Language Arts was this year, so probably the math has been the longest and the most. We've had the most training in the math.
And do you think that the Common Core is working or will work in the future to better education from what you've seen throughout your whole career?
It is somewhat working. Not all the kids are able to explain their thinking as deeper. I don't think it's going anywhere. It's just starting, so the kids are going to have to get used to a different way of solving problems and explaining their thinking.
And just the last question, how do you feel personally about Common Core?
At first I didn't like it because we've had to have lots of grade level meetings to try and figure out what the wording is, because there's lots of ways to interpret the Common Core or the standards that there are. So just trying to figure them out and what exactly they're asking has taken a lot of training and getting together and collaboration. Once that's happened, it's become a lot easier, so I do like it.
All right. Well, that's about it. Thank you.